A Sensous gift pack of moisturizing essential oil bath bombs, 6 essential oil blends to treat your senses. Each 2.5-ounce bath bomb is individually wrapped and presented in a unique gift tin * yoga sunrise, lemon, lime, orange, and bergamot oils * garden of the gods, lavender, geranium, and lime oils * sinus congestion relief, eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender, pine, and cypress oils * pink energizing grapefruit, grapefruit essential oil * stressed moms, lavender, marjoram, and ylang oils * vanilla surprise, vanilla essential oil. Our bath bombs are fun, fragrant, and leave your skin ultra moisturized. Pop one of our nourishing, fizzing bath bombs in your bath water and watch it explode into a swirling, twirling ball of fragrant, moisturizing fizz. Our regular sized bath bombs are approximate to oz and are about the size of a golf ball. They are not colored, so they will not tint your tub or skin. They are, however, a highly addictive bath product that you're sure to love. Enjoy. The best part? No oil ring around the tub. These wonderful bath treats give you all the awesome benefits of organic sunflower oil, cocoa butter, and organic shea butter without trashing the tub. Treat yourself and your senses tonight. 100% natural and organic ingredients. Click the Add to Cart button now. Makes a great gift for any occasion and the holidays. Satisfaction guaranteed. Fizzy and fun the natural way. Imagine yourself relaxing in a twirling, swirling bath, enjoying the benefits of our organic, non-GMO, gluten-free ingredients. Our essential oil aromatherapy blends, cocoa butter and shea butter will leave your dry skin soft, supple, and moisturized without trashing the tub. Treat yourself and your senses. Our Handmade Fizzers kit contains 6 unique experiences that will take your senses to a place you can only imagine. Relaxation, lavender, detox, vanilla, energize, grapefruit, distress, sinus, peppermint, congestion relief, eucalyptus. Which one will you choose? A gift idea for all occasions. Do you need gifts for the holidays or Christmas, a birthday gift for mom or dad, your best friend? Don't forget Teacher Appreciaton, realtor, housewarming, or a new mom. Women, men, kids, and teens of all ages will love these fizzy treats. What our customers are saying: 5 stars, best bombs ever, no need for lotion after my bath, great gift set, they smell amazing, can't wait for my next bath, my girlfriend loves them, my co-worker was so happy. The packaging is so luxurious, great price, my new best beauty product. Bonuses: no dyes or colors means no cleaning and no stain tub or skin. Money back guarantee. Made in the USA. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.